How to clean bamboo flooring in 6 steps. Care tips and guide. Bamboo isn't wood, it's a grass, sliced and bonded under heat and pressure, and its hardness ranges from 1,300 all the way to 3,800, depending on how it's built. That single fact is why generic hardwood advice damages bamboo floors constantly. Here are the 6 professional steps that actually work. Let's get into it.
Step 1. Identify your floor before you touch it. Drop water on a hidden spot and watch the clock. If it beads past 10 minutes, you have an intact film finish. If it flattens and darkens within a few minutes, you're dealing with oil or hard wax, which never accepts polish and needs re-oiling instead. Step 2. Remove dry grit first, every single time, sweeping or vacuuming along the grain with the brush roll off. Grit acts like sandpaper under every footstep, and that's the real reason floors go dull long before they look dirty. Step 3. Treat spills within 5 minutes, always by blotting, never wiping. Wiping just spreads liquid wider and pushes it straight into the seams, where it wicks in and causes damage you won't see yet. Step 4. Damp mop with a genuinely pH-neutral cleaner, between 6.5 and 7.5 on the label. Anything above pH 9 clouds the finish with repeated use. Anything acidic, including household vinegar, etches it into a permanent haze. Step 5. Dry the floor immediately, within 1 to 2 minutes of mopping. Water that lingers in a seam wicks into the core. And on click-lock floors, that swelling at the plank edge never reverses. And step 6. Protect the floor and lock in a routine. Long entry mats, felt pads replaced twice a year, soft casters on rolling chairs, and indoor humidity held between 35 and 55%, since gapping and cupping almost always trace back to moisture swings, not a flaw in the floor. The polish mistake everyone makes. Retail advice says polish every few months, but that only applies to polyurethane. Factory aluminum oxide, the most common finish on click-lock bamboo, bonds poorly with polish and can cloud or peel instead of shining. Never use vinegar, ammonia, bleach, oil soap, wax, or a steam mop on any bamboo floor. Steam forces vapor into the seams and is the fastest way to delaminate the planks. Identify your finish, keep grit off the surface, and dry every drop fast. Do that, and a well-maintained bamboo floor can last 20 to 50 years. If you're ready for new premium flooring, check the Lush Loom link in the description. See you in the next one.